What is up, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm gonna have a great day today because today we're doing something special. Today we're gonna get Lokki's LC500 dyno strapped to the dyno, gonna see what it runs, gonna see what power it makes and all that stuff. So yeah, join me, come along for the ride, and we'll see what this thing lays down. So you wanna go ahead and tell us what's going on today? Man, the myth, the legend, owner of the car, that sick LC over there.
I'm not a myth. Well, I could be a myth. Definitely not a legend.
So what's going on? What are we doing today?
Today we are dynoing the Lexus LC500, codenamed Zeta Q. We're here with PPE engineer. Paul's over here. And we're over here at Dyno Chip is the name of the place.
Arizona Dyno Chip.
Arizona Dyno Chip. And we just pulled a car on the dyno and we're about to see how much power it's not making.
What are your guesses? What do you think?
I'm hoping it does over 418, which is what it did last time. So,
any changes to the car? What do you?
Yes, we removed the Boost Logic aftermarket intakes, put the stock Lexus intakes back in with some Tom's drop-in filters. So the ECU hopefully is reading correctly now, and I think we'll be able to get a little more power and a little more torque. But we'll see.
Perfect.
We don't know.
Go ahead and down in the comment section below, you guys put what you think it'll make, and then obviously I'll put it on the screen later. But put it down what you make, or what you'll think it'll make. So I'm walking back to the car right now. Hopefully, the drone is, well, the drone is charged, but I'm gonna try to get the drone up so you guys can see it from an aerial angle. But the problem with that is, I don't know if the phone that I use for the drone is charged. It should be, but I don't know. I'm hoping so I can get you guys that downward angle. But if not, then sorry in advance. You could literally park this car anywhere and it'd still be photogenic. It's so weird. Yeah. Like even right here with the hood open, like you just snap pictures of it and it's just like, wow. Let me see. Oh yeah, just a bit. I can kind of make out the numbers though. So that's fine.
Here, why don't you get back for a second to the reflexes?
Yeah, I got you. Okay, so we're actually in luck. That phone was charged, so I'm gonna hook up the phone to the drone, and then we're gonna fly it up and get an aerial view just for you guys, and maybe some nice B-roll, mix it in and throw it in there, and all cinematic-y and stuff. We'll see though. We'll see how it feels. Holy shit, that was loud as fuck! I plugged my ears, it was fucking loud, dude. That was loud as fuck!
Ah, good boy! What's it?
What do we make? You're like, ah! Alright guys, so what it seems like is happening is it's a little weird because the car isn't making as much power as it should be. So we're gonna let it cool down for a little bit. The last dyno run that we did was in 6th gear and it made 386. It made 6 more horsepower than the last pull, which was in 5th gear. It made 380, so yeah, 386. And it should be making way more. It should be making around, I don't know, Lokki says he should be making around 430 to 440. But he says the car feels faster when he drives it, even though the numbers on the dyno aren't really reading what he feels like the car should be making. So we're gonna let it cool down for a bit, and then we're gonna retest, see if we can get the figures that we're looking for. right, guys, so done with the dyno. Put the car on the dyno, ran it. Last time it ran, it made 386. But they're saying that the fuel ratios and the mixtures and stuff kind of wasn't right. So I think we're gonna come back a different day, re-dyno it, see what it makes. Hopefully it'll make what it was supposed to make. Because last time it was here, it made way more power. But right now, me and Lokki are gonna go and get some bite to eat at Harlow's Cafe. And right after we go get a bite to eat at Harlow's, we're going to go shoot a little bit more. So maybe I'll show you guys behind the scenes a little bit on that. And yeah, so I guess I'll see you at Harlow's. Deuces.